and even for the months before that. So that information is there too. Okay, moving forward. We did all this. Additional observations. This was for 2013, January 13. We said that day C and so on. Okay. Extension. This is my favorite question. What is the greatest number of months that can elapse without a Friday the 13th? Or what is the interval between two consecutive ones? So we're going to extend the chart to 2 consecutive years. And since each letter appears in each year, we're going to have each letter appearing at least twice. So in 2 consecutive years, we're going to have the same day being the 13th, at least twice. And this is what, here's leap year followed by non-leap year. So this is 2012 to 2013. So I just copied our leap year, and then remember we said this would become a C. So I just upgraded this.